Forecasting, quantitative techniques, qualitative techniques. PPC, production planning, production control. Production planning, pre-planning, forecasting, action planning. Forecasting is first function in production planning and control. Make to stock MTS all ready-mades which are produced irrespective of customer orders. Example, automobiles, home appliances, and garments. Note, forecasting is difficult in MTS items. MTS items. Forecasting, prediction of future demand. Make to order MTO. Production takes place based on customer order. Meeting customers due date will become a big challenge. Customer satisfaction is possible. Forecasting becomes easy, however, getting customer orders is very difficult. Make to assembly or spares are produced based on final products or end products. Maintenance and service centers require spares. Example, electrical accessories, house construction material, plumbing accessories, projects and fabrication works. A note, forecasting is required to justify the requirement of spare parts. Types of forecasting: demand or sales forecasting, technological forecasting, environmental forecasting, economical forecasting. Demand is equal to F of technology, economics, and environment. Forecasting methods: inputs historical or post data, market survey and analogy. This is for existing products, this is for new products. Forecast system, forecasting methodology, output forecast future demand. Quantitative techniques: moving average method, weighted moving average method, exponential smoothing, regression analysis, decomposition method. Time series and historical data needed. Not all quantitative methods use historical data and suitable for short range planning. Short range less than 1 year. Example, smartphones, electronics and computers. Recent sales will have significance compared to old data. Qualitative methods: market survey, history analogy, Delphi method, collective opinion and judgment. Opinion, knowledge, experience and expertise. Qualitative data, new products. Note, all qualitative methods are well suited for long range planning. Which one of the following forecasting methods is not suited for short range production planning? Delphi method, as it is long range. Which one of the following is most suitable for long range forecasting? Market survey. These are all short range. Which one of the following is not a technique of long range forecasting? Regression analysis. Quantitative technique, qualitative technique. Quantitative technique applicable for existing products, qualitative applicable for new products. Historical data is major input, market survey is major input. Suitable for short range plans, suitable for medium range and long range plans, 1 to 3 years, greater than 3 years. Objective in nature, here subjective in nature. Product life cycle: there are 4 stages in life cycle of a product: incubation stage, growth stage, maturity stage, decline stage. Sales, 1 2 3 4. Qualitative, quantitative and qualitative. Here quantitative, qualitative. Commodities: example, Colgate. It will keep on going. Example, Colgate, Parle-G. There won't be decline. Short life cycle products are unstable products, unstable demand: mobiles, computers, electronics, ready-mades, garments, fancy goods. Stable good demand products, food items, energy consumption, fuels and consumables, automobiles. Note, forecasting is very difficult in unstable demand products. Simple moving average method: let ft is equal to forecast, dt is equal to actual demand, sales, n is equal to number of periods. Ft is equal to dt minus 1 plus dt minus 2 plus dt minus 3, so on, dt minus n by n. Selection of n. Stable demand, n should be high. Unstable demand, mobiles, n should be less. Equal weight is assigned to old data. Weight is equal to 1 by n. New data is added after discarding the old data moving average. 3 months moving average. F4 is equal to D3 plus D2 plus D1 by 3. F5 is equal to D4 plus D3 plus D2 by 3. And the forecast for September using 3-month moving average method is F September is equal to DJ plus DA by 3. Is forecast for February using 4-month moving average, last 4 months sum by 4. The time series forecasting that gives equal weightage to each of the m most recent observations is moving average method. For unstable demand, n should be less. Weighted moving average method. In this method, different weights have been used for old data. Most recent data has highest weightage. It is well suited for unstable demand products. Ft is equal to W1 dt into dt minus 1 plus W2 into dt minus 2 so on plus Wn dt minus n by W1 plus W2 so on Wn. W1 greater than W2 greater than W so on greater than Wn, where W is equal to weight. Question W1 is equal to 0.6, W2 0.3, W3 0.1, 3 months weighted average moving method. F6 is equal to W1 into D5 plus W2 into D4 plus W1 into D3 by W1 plus W2 plus W3. We can get forecast for 6 months. Exponential smoothing, it is weighted average of n past observations. Highest weightage is given to most recent data. Weight decreases exponentially as the age of data increases. Fraction of forecast error is taken into account while forecasting the next period. Next period forecast is equal to current forecast plus alpha into forecast error. Ft plus 1 is equal to Ft plus alpha into dt minus Ft. Alpha into dt minus Ft, where alpha is smoothing constant 0 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to 1. The demand for April and May were 900 and 1030. Fine forecast of month April is given 815. Consider smoothing constant 0.6. Forecast for month of June is F June is equal to F April plus alpha into F April minus D April minus F April. D no, F May is like that. F May is F April plus alpha into April May June na. So F April plus alpha into D April minus F April. F June is equal to F May plus alpha into D May minus F May. From that F June and F May we can get. The demand for June and July were 300 and 350. The forecast for June is 200 units. Alpha is equal to 0.7. Forecast for August. For August, we have to know forecast of July. F July is equal to F June plus alpha into D June minus F June. From that, F August is equal to F July plus alpha into D July minus F July. Significance of alpha. Ft plus 1 is equal to Ft plus alpha into dt minus Ft. Ft plus 1 is equal to alpha dt plus 1 minus alpha into Ft. Alpha is equal to 0. Ft plus 1 is equal to Ft. Alpha is equal to 1. Ft plus 1 is equal to dt. In simple exponential smoothing method, to give higher weightage to recent demand, the smoothing constant must be close to 1. Ft plus 1 is equal to alpha dt plus 1 minus alpha into Ft is equal to alpha dt plus 1 minus alpha into alpha dt plus 1 minus alpha into Ft minus alpha dt minus 1 plus 1 minus alpha into Ft minus 1 is equal to alpha dt plus 1 alpha into 1 minus alpha dt minus 1 plus 1 minus alpha whole square into Ft minus 1. Ft plus 1 is equal to alpha into dt plus alpha into 1 minus alpha dt minus 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha square dt minus 2 so on plus alpha into 1 minus alpha power n dt minus n plus 1 minus alpha whole power n plus 1 ft minus n. f t minus n. Highest weightage alpha, lowest weightage alpha into 1 minus alpha power n. Sum of weights is equal to 1. Alpha plus alpha into 1 minus alpha, so on, plus alpha into 1 minus alpha whole power n is equal to 1. Alpha is approximately equal to 2 by n plus 1. N is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 2 by 2, 1. N is equal to 3, alpha is equal to 0.5, n is equal to 9, alpha is equal to 0.2. Alpha is equal to 0.2. Exponential smoothing is a weighted average of 9 observations. For stable demand data, n should be high. That means alpha should be less. For unstable demand data, n should be less. That means alpha should be high. In exponential smoothing method, which one of the following is true? 0 less than alpha less than or equal to 1, and high value of alpha is used for unstable demand because n is less. In exponential smoothing method, the forecast for higher alpha values of alpha will be more sensitive to previous period actual demand because alpha into dt will be there now. Regression analysis: in this method, a trend line equation is determined using past data. Least squares technique is used to calculate constants of trend line. It is assumed that there is causal relationship: x independent variable, y dependent variable. Y is equal to f of x, f linear function. Y is equal to a plus bx, sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Solve 1 and 2, we will get A and B. Demand Y as a sales time extrapolation. A, B extrapolation. Find the forecast for 2020 using trend line or linear regression method or least square technique. Capital X ಬರುತ್ತದೆ x assign values 1 2 3 4 5. Y values 9. Y is sales 9 12 10 15 18. XY multiply these two and write another table. X square multiply this, right table. Sigma y is equal to na plus sigma bx. Sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Sum of these here we can get from that a. Solving 1 and 2 we will get a and b. Trend line y is equal to 6.5 plus 2.1 x 2020, then small x is equal to 6 from above as we assumed. We can get y 19.1. N is equal to 5. Median is the right choice. Sigma x for 2020, x equal to 3, then 16.1. Okay, if we take median like this, then answer will be different. X minus m. Median trend line may be used in a stable demand items. However, it can be extended to unstable demand products. Decomposition method: time series components such as trend T, cyclic C, seasonal S, random R are identified from past sales data. Additive or multiplicative model is used for forecasting. Additive model forecasting is equal to T plus C plus S plus R. Multiplicative method forecast is equal to T into C into S into R. Sales time positive trend, it will be like this. Zero trend sales time, it will be like this. Negative trend, it will be like this. Cyclic, it will be like this. Seasonal, it will be high at some point. Random, it is random. Qualitative methods: market survey, direct customer survey, a standard questionnaire or feedback form is used for collecting the feedback from customers. Salesforce composite: sales executives, marketing managers, dealers, wholesalers and retailers are involved. My note market survey can give best result, however, it is a costly process. Historical analogy new product sales are compared with similar kind of existing product sales. Analogy comparison. Delphi method experts from different regions, different markets, different customers, different fields, specialization, different domains, knowledge areas. Common opinion from of all experts will be the final forecast. Note Delphi method can give good result based on selection of experts or team of experts. Forecast errors, mean forecast error MFE, mean absolute deviation MAD, mean square error MSE, mean absolute percentage error MAPE, tracking signal TS. Important are mean absolute deviation MAD, tracking signal TS. Mean absolute deviation is true performance measure and most commonly used criteria. MAD is used for finding best forecasting method for a particular sales data. Minimum MAD best choice. For the given data, find the mean forecast error. Mean absolute dt minus ft mod of dt minus ft. Mean forecast error is equal to sigma dt minus ft by n. So here 0 MAD is equal to sigma mod of dt minus ft by n. MAD is equal to 3.5. Mean forecast error is not a true performance measure. The MAD, mean absolute deviation, and MAPE are respectively dt minus ft mod of dt minus ft mod of dt minus ft by dt into 100. 100. This is 85. This will be mod of dt minus ft by dt into 100 sum by n. MAD is equal to sigma d mod of dt minus ft by 5. MAP is equal to sigma mod of dt minus ft by dt into 100 by n is equal to 9.85%. Forecast for 14th period is equal to 75. Actual demand for 14, 15, 16 periods is 100. Okay, if alpha is equal to 0.5, then mean square error is first find forecast for f15 f16 from the formula. Then a mean square error is equal to sigma dt minus ft whole square by n. Tracking signal, it is used to monitor performance of a given forecasting method. Default limits for tracking signal is plus or minus 4. If tracking signal for any period exceeding the limits, then there is a need of some corrective measure or control action. Tracking signal is equal to sigma dt minus ft by MEAD. Here find the tracking signal for each month. Draw table sigma mod of dt minus ft mod of sigma mod of dt minus uh, sigma mod of dt minus ft is 4, 6, 8 and 9. MAD 4 by 1 MAD sigma dt minus ft by MAD 4 by 1, here 6 by 2, here 8 by 3. Okay, tracking signal is for everything for each month. For fourth month, sigma dt minus ft by MAD. MAD is 9 by 4 dt minus ft sigma dt minus ft plus 3. Sigma dt minus ft is 3. Sigma dt minus ft